Hello, good afternoon. This is Mr. Haris' office.
Good afternoon. You must be Rinta, the new secretary.
Yes, Miss, I am the new secretary.
My name is Siti Jamila. I'm one of your boss partner. I would like to make an appointment with him for a project meeting.
Of course, Miss, Mr. Haris is available on Monday and Wednesday for an opportunity which they will suit you best.
I would like to meet him on Monday if that's possible.
Very well. Would you like to meet him in the morning or afternoon?
Actually, could you make it a lunch appointment? We could talk about the project during lunch. That would be more efficient.
I will have to check with Mr. Haris first, but it shall be possible.
It's okay. Could you contact me again once you have his approval for the appointment, please?
Of course, Miss. I will contact you directly on I have his response.
Okay, thank you so much, Rinta.
You're welcome, Miss. Have a good day.
Good morning, Miss Rinta.
Good morning, Mila.
Apologize in advance, Lord. Would you cancel today's meeting?
I called. So what is cancelled?
I could not hold a meeting today on a report or corporate profit has not been counted accurately.
We have not counted.
Because now the 25th there are still 5 days left until the moon is over, so that the report has not been also calculated.
Okay, so if I save your exhaust.
Thank you, Miss. Again, I apologize for canceling the meeting today.
It's okay. Can we replace this meeting at a later time?
Yes, Miss. It could probably around June 30 or 31. You can?
Yes, I can. Okay, then to meet at another time, Mila.
I'll see you next time to Miss.